All right, so what I have here is one of those Taotao knockoff ATVs here. So it just won't start. So I had it on the charger, and then the amount of times I tried to start it, the carburetor should have been flooded. So I tried to open up the valve here to allow anything to drain out, but nothing came out. So that led me to believe that it's just not getting any gas. I checked the spark plug, cleaned it up a bit. I did buy new one, so I will replace that. But what I think is going on is my fault. So, stupid me, I installed the fuel filter backwards. So you can see on the bottom here, there's a whole bunch of sediment, but when you look at the line itself going in, you can see it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna try to just take off the bottom of the float here. It's gonna be tight because I don't want to have to take this off because there's a black plastic spacer in here that's cracked and I've glued when I replaced all this carb. So try to get this off, clean this up, new fuel filter, all new lines, get this thing rocking hopefully. All right guys, so as you can see, I got the ATV running again. So I did swap out the fuel filter, replace the spark plug. But what the issue was the carburetor needles. So I'll show you what I did with the old one. All right, so this is the original carburetor that came with the thing. I've replaced this before, but I'll just show you what I had to do to get this thing running again. So I removed the 2 screws, you see them there. And then on the bottom, there's these 2 needles in here. Okay, I've already loosened this one up just so that way I can show you on the video. Now, I can't do this with one hand here. Okay, so I've already loosened the one. So if we just unscrew it now, you see how gummed up this old one is, okay? But you should be able to see right through there, okay? If you can't see through there, it needs to be cleaned. So even this one's all gummed up. You can't see through there. You should be able to see right through. So what I did was I cleaned both of them. There's 2. Cleaned both those right up, and she fired right up for me. So again, you just take apart the carb, give that a good clean in, and it should work for you if you're having this type of an issue. So hopefully it'll be good to go. I mean, they are just a cheapy product, but again, the kids have fun with it. So gotta know how to maintain this stuff. So just clean these needles out, clean the carb, and if you're having that type of an issue with a carburetor, that's more than likely what it is these little things are all gummed up. So I was just using carb cleaner, brake cleaner. Clean those out real good. You got to be able to see through those. All right, on to the next one.